Finally, elapsed. We said before, elapsed time means amount of time between two given time. The period of time between two given time. Look to the first type of elapsed. Here, this is two given time. Start time and end time. For example, you start homework at 2:30 and finish 2:45. You start your lunch 7 or your dinner 7:15. Finish 8 p.m. Two time. We need two time to get here elapsed. The period of time. Amount of time between two given number. Why we have two type here? You will know soon. Here, 2:30 a.m. and 2:45 a.m. Both of them a.m. Both of them in the same period of time. a.m. a.m. or p.m. p.m. If I have two times in the same period of time, what we have to do? Very easy. Go to the end time, 2:45. I will write it up. Then I will write under it start time, 2:30. 2:30. What we forget here to do? Yes, excellent. To write hours, colon, minutes. We will add them? No. We will not add them. We will minus them. Why we will minus them? How we know we will minus them? Because elapsed mean different between two times. Different between two times. And we will want to use different between two numbers. We use what? Minus. So we will minus them. As usual, we will start from right side. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 3, excellent, 1. Don't forget, this is minus. 2 minus 2, 0. What the time? What the elapsed time here? 15 minutes. Okay? The answer, 15 minutes. The period of the time between these two times, 15 minutes. Fine? Don't forget, boys, elapsed mean minus. When we minus, if both of them in the same period of time, both of them AM or both of them PM. Let's give you another example. Both of them PM. For example, start for 20. Start and end 9:20. PM. Also these two time in the same period. PM. They are the same, both of them in the same period of time. What we have to do? As before, hours, colon, minutes. Then I will start with the end. Hour, 9:20. Then the first time, 4:20. Don't forget minus because we want the period between them, the difference of them. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 9 minus 4, equal 5. Equal 5. What the elapsed time here? 5 hours. Okay? It's so easy. Only follow the rule and the steps. Okay, this is the first part. Both of them in the same period. AM, AM or PM, PM. Both of them the same. If they are different, look here to the question here. Start 10:45 a.m. and end 1:30 p.m. They are different, not the same period of time. There is 12 o'clock between these two times, and the 12 o'clock cross the time. I cannot minus them. What we have to do here, in this kind of a question, if I have two different time, we need to use something we call it T-chart. This is T-chart. I will write here add, and I will write here a new time. Why I will use T-chart? Because they are different, AM, PM, or the opposite, PM and AM. Okay, what I have to do, I will start with 10:45. We will add 1 hour to it. I will add 1 hour to the start time. 10:45 plus 1 hour equal 11:45. Minute will not change, only the hours. Okay, 11:45 also I will add 1 hour to it. Become 12:45. Add 1 hour to it. Become what? 1:45. What the end time here? 1:30. So if I add it an hour, I will pass 1:30. I will go after 1:30, so I cannot here add 1. I will stop. After 12:45, we will stop. We will not add any hours, so I will erase. What we have to add to get here the end time? I will start with minutes. Do you remember when we skipped by 10? Yes, excellent boys. We will use it now. First 10 minutes. 12, not a change. Add to 4, 10 minutes become what? 55. It's easier here if I add 5 minutes. 55 plus 5 minutes equal 60. Become 12:60. Here 60, we cannot leave it like this. When I arrive to 60 minutes, I will take it to the next part, our part, and as 1 hour. So I will add 1 hour to 12, then become 1. What happened to the minute? Become zeros. So this number now disappear. I have 1 hour. Again, how I get this time? 12:55. I will add 5 minutes to it to get 1 o'clock. Why? Because this 12, the 12 cross the time, cross the period. After 12, we start from 1 o'clock. Now, complete. Add 10 minutes, become 1 and 10 minutes. Add more 10 minutes. 1:20. Also add 1 minute. I arrived to 1:30. This time is the end time. Yes, 1:30. I will stop here. What I have to do, I will put circle around hours and circle around minutes here. Then add them. Here the hour, 1 and 1, 2 hours. Minutes, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 5 minutes, 45. 45 minutes. So elapsed time for these two different periods is 2 hours. I will write it here. And 45 minutes. Yes, I know it's tall and different, but if you follow the steps, it will become so easy. Okay, let's go to another one. I'll give you another example of this question. Here. From 11:30 until 2 o'clock. Here start time AM and end time 2 o'clock PM. Again, when we want to get the elapse for different two periods, AM and PM, they are different. I will use T chart. I will write here add, and this here a new time. We will start with the first time, 11:30. 11:30. I will add the first hour here, 1 hour. Then add it to the first time. 11:30 plus 1 hour become 12:30. I will add another hour. Another hour to 12:30. Now I forget this time, the start time. I will start from the last time. I will get it. 12:30 plus hour, 1:30. Now I will add another hour. No. Why? Because I'll stop in 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock without any minutes. So I will start from here to add minutes. We said add what? 10. Start from 10. 10, then 10 and 10 because we will skip by 10. 10 minutes. Become what? 1:40. Then I will add another 10 minutes. 1:50. 10 minutes more. 2 o'clock. After 10 minutes, I will get 2 o'clock. Boys, I want you thinking like this. I will explain first time how we'll add 10 to the minutes, then convert it to hours to understand how we'll get it. But now I want mentally add 10 minutes, 150 plus 10, I will arrive to 2 o'clock. This is the stop time. So I will stop. Now elapsed time, how will get it? Circle around hours and circle around minutes. 2 hours. How many minutes? 10, 20, 30. 30 minutes. So 2 hours, 30 minutes. I hope you boys understand. Maybe the last idea is strange for you, but if you follow the rules, you will get it very easy. Only do the same and correct steps, boys. Okay? Get me any question in dojo if you have any problem with this lesson. Thank you.